What's up guys, welcome back to Bali. First step of the day, get a healthy breakfast. There we go. Looks really good. The weather has finally gone down a little bit and the sun also, so it's time to start the video. Today I want to talk about one thing that I remember today. You know those things that you kind of hear one time, like they make a big impact, then you kind of forget about them even though you write them in your journal, and then they kind of get back to you a couple of days after or a week after. So let's talk about one thing. Okay, so here's the thing. You can do anything you want, but you cannot do everything. And it's so hard to put in practice for real. Like, you really want to do everything, right? That's something that people want to do. They want to be able to do everything they want to do, everything that is possible to do, because they feel better if they accomplish more. And the thing I fail to realize is that yes, there's so many things I could do. I could travel, trade, coach, do anything I want. Trade for other people, trade for myself. But the thing is, I cannot pick all of them and I have to choose. And that's something that I want to push you guys to choose as well. The best thing to do is to make a list of the things you could do. You could have a job, you could go work, you could have a job, you could trade, you could maybe build a business online, you could do many things, but pick which one you want to do most, what things you want to learn first, all of those things, because even for like trading, there's so many things you can learn. Pick which one you want to learn. You want to learn price action, how to identify candlestick pattern, or you want to look at indicators, how to confirm your trade, what to base your entry, what to base your stop loss. Those are all things you have to learn, but you have to pick one. And we've talked about this so many times, like the book The One Thing and the power of being focused. You get much better results when you focus on only one thing, but it's so hard to focus on one thing. And I urge you guys to write this thing down, the one thing you want to focus on, and then remind yourself of it daily, right? Because it's good to know what you want to work on. It's good to pick one thing, but unless you remind yourself every single day of that thing, it's going to be really difficult to actually stick to that one thing. And the reason why I'm recording this today is probably mainly as a reminder for myself, because I'm so bad at this, right? It's probably the one thing I struggle with the most. And just this past couple of days, I was really working pretty much all day. Like I didn't do much except working like in the morning, in the afternoon. Yes, I've been like not super consistent, but I still worked a lot. And I didn't really enjoy like Bali. I set a few things I wanted to do in the week, and I didn't do any of them because I was working a lot. And not because of the fact that I like to work necessarily, because of the fact that there were so many things to do. I still have like this big to-do list of things to complete, to finish, things that people are waiting on. So I'll really have to do this pretty soon. And I hope you guys are gonna focus on one specific thing. Maybe for now it's gonna be focusing on your job because that makes you money. Or maybe it's gonna be focusing on learning to trade. Spending some time off the job, maybe, or off with family to learn to trade. But that could vary. You just have to pick which one you're gonna focus on now. Put everything aside, make that one your priority. And when you get to the state where you're happy, then you move to the other thing, the next thing you have to master. And that's how everything builds. That's how you get to becoming a better trader, a better worker, anything you want to do. And that's really the key. So I'll keep going around the beach a little bit. I don't want to work anymore today. I think I'll spend the next few hours off. It's already 5 anyway, so I don't have much time. But that's going to be interesting. If you guys like the video today, give it a like. Comment below with any thought question you have. I want to hear those, of course. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. I would love to see you here. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for the next video. Ciao.